Aloha guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see by the thumbnail, I am going to battle out my skincare boxes. So I get one box which is by the Derm store and it's called Beauty Fix, and the next box I get is Allure, and I really love them both. But these boxes are the boxes of March, and let's see who has a better box. So if you want to see what I got in these boxes, then just keep watching. Okay, guys, so we are going to start with the Allure box first. And this is a monthly subscription box, and it has some makeup and mostly skincare products, which I absolutely love. This box is $15 a month. You can get your first box for $10, and I will leave a link. It's not affiliated if you want to check it out. And if you do subscribe, they give you a gift for your first month, and it changes periodically. I think right now, while you can, it's they give you like 2 La Mer products, which are really high-end products. So anyways, let's get on with the box. So this month it's in this cute little white bag. Isn't that cute? The only thing that wasn't in there is this product here, I guess because it's kind of big. So it also comes with their little pamphlet, and it tells you exactly what you got and what the product is used for. So I've already actually unboxed this myself because I get super excited. Sometimes I even start using the skincare because I absolutely love skincare. This is an Anywhere Cream Multi-Stick in Grapefruit, and it's by All Natural. That's the company. It was already broken. I took off the cap, and part of it flew off. So right away that was disappointing. There's still lots of product in here. I did use it. You can use it on your cheeks, your lips. It is a little bit drying. I just didn't find much color coming off of this multi-stick. I was really excited because I like the Bite Beauty multi-sticks. Unfortunately, this one was a bit of a disappointment, and I think the only makeup item in the box this month. So not a great start, but I still love Allure. They have, let's see, so I'm gonna 1, 2, 3. We have 6 more products, including the bag. So you get 7 products. So the next skincare product is by Ren, and I've tried Ren before. And this is it's in this size here, and it is 0.7 fluid ounces. A facial balm. Sounds scary heavy, but this one is quick absorbing. After a few days, its natural oils get rid of redness, dry spots that were making my skin look uneven and ashy. So this, a full size, would cost you $48. This sounds like a really good product if you are blotchy and you do get dry spots on your skin, or maybe even on your elbows or whatever. But anyway, so that sounds like a great product by Ren and very pricey. So the next product is by Derma-E. So it is a brand name. So this is a Microdermabrasion Scrub, which is awesome. And it smells kind of like grapefruit. And this is half a fluid ounce. So the next thing is by AccuCure. So let's see what this looks like. I don't think I opened this. Okay. It's probably a roller, I'm guessing. Yes. Okay, AccuCure. Soothing night oil. So there are 10 hydrating oils packed in here, but this mix is delightfully light. I use it after my retinol at night on dry spots before makeup, even on the ends of my hair. I would do that. Let me see if we can get this going. Okay. It actually smells like very soothing, very calming. Okay, this one I am familiar with. This is by Mamonde. So if you remember my last month Allure box, we got a face cleanser, and this is the rose water toner. So it was a rose cleanser, which is really nice, and I've been using that. But this is the toner. So, and this is valued at $23 for full size. So I didn't tell you what the night oil, the full size value is $12.99. So that's actually pretty affordable. This brand on Instagram all the time. So it looks like this. And what is this? So this is a Squalane Peptide Eye Gel. I love eye gels. I am a sucker for eye gels. Just give me all the eye gels. So this is a quick absorbing gel, keeps my under eyes plumped and hydrated. Fine crinkly lines are much less noticeable, and is less noticeable, as is the puffiness I often wake up with. This is awesome because this morning I woke up with some serious puffiness under my eye. So this will come in handy. I love this. All right. Oh, and a full size is valued at $54. So that's pretty awesome. So this last one is by the company, I think it's called Vichy or something. Vichy? I don't know. Let's see what this is. Okay. I've definitely have had this before. So this is a skin fortifying daily booster. So it's valued at $29.50 for a full size. It's a serum, a skin softening serum. The water comes from Vichy, France. I don't know if I'm saying that right. A city famous for its healing springs. It treats skin conditions, digestive problems, and even migraines. The 11% includes hyaluronic acid and glycerin that also do an excellent job of leaving skin quenched. Geez, that's serious, right? So this actually sounds like a very healthy product for your face. So I don't mind trying that out. So very heavy skincare month from Allure, but like I said, I absolutely love skincare. The more they give me, the less I have to buy, especially like with eye creams and stuff that you absolutely use. Let's get unboxing with Beauty Fix. So it comes like this. It's really pretty. It's got like little papers inside. This box is also a monthly subscription box, and it is valued at $24.95. So and you don't get like when you buy your first box, they don't give you a discount, so it's just $24.95. If you want to purchase just 1 month's box, if they have it in stock, you can get it for $34.95. Okay, so this looks like it's by Skinceuticals, which is another popular skincare brand. And this is CE ferulic acid. So this is the size here, and it comes with a dropper. That is pretty cool. It definitely smells medicinal. So it says, efficient alone, unstoppable together. When used together, CE ferulic acid and Skinceuticals sunscreens provide comprehensive protection against the appearance of UV and pollution-induced photogene. I don't know what that means. But so this is supposed to prevent signs of aging by neutralizing free radicals. That sounds like a good product to have, because we definitely have free radicals where I live. All right. Next product, I opened this already. You guys know I love First Aid Beauty, and this is the Eye Duty Triple Remedy AM Gel. So I love their Triple Remedy Eye Duty with the, it's for like the depuffing, and it has like the peach in it. So this one is different. So this is just an AM gel, and it's really nice because it comes with a pump like that. So I've tried this, it's really nice, and you only use this one in the morning, so after you cleansed your face. So this is a morning, not a nighttime eye gel, which is really nice. This one, I believe, let me see what the, okay, so this doesn't tell you like what the original size, how much it is, but it just says break out of your winter cocoon and revive your tired eyes with hydrating treatment. So next is by Murad, which is another skincare brand that I love. So this is a recovery serum, and it's actually a nice size. This should last you some time. So it's 0.17 fluid ounces. And let's see, it says nourish your skin with vital nutrients while erasing visible signs of stress. Yes, who needs to erase stress? Okay, next is Skin Inc. Vitamin C Serum, and it looks like this. I've never seen vitamin C like this before. I have vitamin C here. I forget which, I think I got this, oh, I got this in my Allure box. And you see how the glass is tinted? So it's tinted like that to protect the serum. And I don't know why this is different, why it's clear. Maybe it's because these little bubbles inside. I have no idea. But it says achieve a radiant, fresh from vacation glow with this vitamin rich serum. So another serum, and oh, Strivectin. Yes. Okay, so this is an intensive concentrate for wrinkles and stretch marks. Y'all know I love the Strivectin neck cream. It's basically saved my life. I love the Strivectin brand. I really want to get their hand cream. So yeah, that's awesome. I love Strivectin. So it says step into spring with fresh and resilient skin from head to toe. So you can use this all over your body. That's pretty awesome. I will try it. All right, so we have 3 more products. This one is an exfoliating cleanser, and it's anti-wrinkle, and it's by Peptide, and it looks like this. So it is, oh, it smells good. It smells like a little bit orangey, I want to say, like citrusy. So energize and renew dull winter skin and start the season with a healthy glow. Are you guys seeing like a pattern with this? You know, you're getting out of your, they're looking for healthy glow after a cold and dry winter, basically. So yeah, that's a great size. This is 1.69 fluid ounces. This is an awesome size for that. Okay, so the last 2 products are hair care products. One is by Wow. If you guys know, I've tried Wow before. I've tried their I forget what it's like, their silkening mist where you put it on your wet hair. I have a video, I'll link it down in the comments or maybe at the end of this video. It's called their Dream something. Anyways, it's okay. It's not life-changing or anything, but this is Color Security Shampoo, the Ultimate Dream Clean. It's sulfate free. So yeah, I mean, I'll definitely give it a go. I do have some stuff that I'm using now that I'm really enjoying. And so the last product is the Diva Curl, which I don't have natural curly hair. And this is 100% sulfate free, paraben free, silicone free. So it is a pre-cleanse slip detangler. So yeah, I don't know, I may have to pass this on to a curly haired girl. So so we got 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 products in the Beauty Fix box. And I feel like I got a lot of good things. And honestly, I'm torn. I don't know which one to pick. Like, I love Allure and I also love Beauty Fix. I just love skincare. Like, just give it to me all and I'll try everything. I don't know. I'm gonna say, okay, I'm gonna say Beauty Fix won it this month. Just because I think they got me with the Strivectin. I think they did. And they got me with First Aid Beauty. Like, these are products I already use. I love their skincare lines. I'm so interested in this ferulic acid, like, you know, Murad. I think with this stuff right here, Beauty Fix, you got me. Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. If you like skincare videos, give this video a thumbs up. Otherwise, I will catch you in my next video. Bye guys.